Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Minecraft video by Jesper. Today we are going to be playing some servers. So I don't really remember which server I'm going to play today. We're just going to play on epiccloudmc.com. If you want to play the server, the link will be in the description below. So now, let's see. Oh, that wasn't good at all. Change the game. I'm sorry for that, guys. Yeah, until the time we restart the game. So can I open this? I have it as a homework reminder. Wait, okay. Yeah. So I have had some serious problems with my recording technique. I'm using this software here. If you want to find out, I'm going to put that in the description below also. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oops, basically that was wrong. So I'm going to be using Rubik's today, just for fun. And if you want me to not use hack, write in the description below so I can get a better YouTuber. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, we are going to be playing on the epiccloudmcserver.com. That will be in the description below. Here we go. Hope it's working. Okay, now let's see here. Here's the spawn. And we are going to be playing Epic Cloud Prison. I got some golden apples. Let's see if it works. Yes. Oh, yes, I did remember this part. The beacon. Why is it a beacon there? Yes, a double. No? What? Yes, I got two beacon. Come on, beacon. I used to do a hack like this. You just see, I nearly got 3 beacons. Come on. Please, give me. Yes, I got 2 beacons. Take this out also. Oops, a daisy. Okay, that didn't work at all. Let's just take this apart and put on full brightness. Take that away. So this is my plot, my things, beacons, and oh, my beacon. I didn't know that. So should we go and mine? Warp. Is it? Okay, yeah. This is it. Look at this. It's so beautiful. See, I got this diamond pick. It's better than the sorry pickaxe, and if you want a sorry pickaxe, just write /kit sorry. That is easy peasy. So I'm just going to mine, and if you want me to build something off diamonds or something else, you can write in the description below. Here's the guy. Like whole world. Okay. Let's mine over to him. I'm just mining everything I can find. Okay, let's go PH. Yeah, Harry Holt is my friend. Let's see. No, that's not fair. What the? Okay, that's better. Shop. Okay, this is what's a little bit weird. Let's take this away. Yeah, here's our little thing. Just to like scare people down, and then they fall down all the way down there, and then they die. Isn't that good? Yeah. So I think I'm going to be making like a series or something. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to make. But I'm like new YouTuber, so I'm not that good. And if you are a good YouTuber, please tell me what I'm doing wrong, or if I'm doing something good or wrong, or something. So you know what? This is just not fun for you to look at. So what? I'm going to be leaving this and make a single player world. Oh wait, what's this one? Oh yeah, the loose potato. Let's call it the I don't know what to call it. Just call it yes. Spare. Survival mode. Options. Should we have sheet on? No. Bonus chest. I want a bonus chest. Okay. Create new world. So this is gonna be our new world, and I'm gonna make like chapters. So I'm like gonna make 1 and 2 and 3 and over and over again. This takes a long time. Okay, there you go. We are here. What do we got? Oak wood. Some oak wood planks, some bread, oh, and some oak. But it's good. Now, let's see. Oopsie daisy. Take this one, this one. Now, where should we build our house? I think it should be good here, actually. I think it should be. So, let's just start on our house today, and then we can build it bigger at the time we go. Let's build like this. Now, where should we have our house? We got this water pool here. I think we should build it in the tree. A tree house, isn't that? Sounds cool. I have a tree house. This tree's gonna disappear soon. So we're gonna make a tree house. That's the we're gonna make a tree house. Tree house away, I think. So if you want me to play like Technic Launcher or something else, then we can have waypoints and everything. I think you can just write. Ooh, look at that amount. Okay, you can just write it in the comment below. I will do that. So this is our forest. Should we build it on top of here? Yeah. Let's start our house here. Let's see. What do we need to make? We need to make like. Let's make some of these just like that. I think that's what I need, isn't it? Yes, that's what I need. Put this down. We need to find where we can go up, where we can come in our beautiful house. So yeah, here, could be here. Let's see. That's good. Now we need to build our way. Oh no. Oh no, that didn't work good at all. Let's make one new workbench and put it down here. Now let's... Why did I just earn my benchmarking thingy? Okay. That's weird, because I already made one. Oh, I was so quick so I didn't even know that I had one. Okay, now let's build our way up here. This is good. Let's take this lonely oak wood plank and we're gonna slay these down over there. Just need to make let's make a sword. Let's make a sword, like yay, I earned one more. Time to strike. Yeah, time to strike. Sheep, come with me. Sheep, sheep, I need you. Yes, one wall. Got one wall. Let's see. Let's die. But we. Ah, yes, we did get one more. I just need to kill you. Please let me kill you. Die, sheep. Yes, we got one. And that's everything we need, I think. Yeah. Let's go up in our house. You can find it somewhere here. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad finding things. Where is our house? Let's be here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad finding my house. What if I lose it? Let's take like this. A bed! We made a bed, finally! My first bed! Okay, there we go! I wonder if I can place a bed on this. Yes, look at that, a bed! We got a bed. We got a bed. Let's destroy this. Oh look, I got a... Let's put it down here. Let's see. Let me do this quickly. Like, what the hell happened to our bed? What? Okay, I'm just gonna replace that. That's ridiculous. What the? Oh, that's weird. Bed? What are you doing? Bed? You're acting weird. You're acting weird. Bed. What? Look at that. That's so... This texture is good. But look at this one. What the... Let's destroy it. Is that there? Is that... Okay, let's just... Don't care about that right now. We really need to make our house so I can know where our house is. Let's see. No. There we go. Chop down these leaves. I think we need to have like a dog or something like that. Yeah, we should go and get some of this so we can make like a farm. Yes, I got a seed. Couple more, come on, give me this. This is so good. No. Oh yeah, I have my full bike on just for safety. If it gets dark, wait, let's put that off again. Right now. Yeah, it's still there. There's the sun. Let's see. Let's take some of these. Chop. That is good, and we can make a pink sheep. That's gonna be awesome. Let's make a pink sheep. Pink sheep, away! Look at this new flower. It's so beautiful. What color? Huh? Light gray. Let's make a yellow sheep. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at him! Hello, sheep. Please. Let me try you. Ah, pink wool. Yes. Oh. Cold down there. Let's just go over to here. We got a pink. One of these things. Wool. Oh, we don't have food. That's bad. That's bad news. Oh, we did have food. That's good. That's good. See if I can work on my workbench. Well, I know I can sleep on this night, but I need my workbench. Not always. I need, oopsies, I need more sticks. Oh, I already got a chest. Why am I so? Oh yeah, I'm not so bad. I'm actually not. Let's see. Ta-da! I just earned one more. Let's put down our pink wool. Do your job. Let's see. Let's put just there. That's good. Now let's go down and make a little farming place here. I can hear. We need something more than. Can we like plant these things? Please give me one seed. Please give me one seed. Seed. Yes, I got my seed. Okay, now look at that. That's so beautiful. Okay, now I just need to wait for these to grow up. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that I did this, but I can't wait to have food. And I can't wait to be old. So I'm so sorry, but I just need a little bit longer. I'm so sorry. Okay, good. Brrr. Yes, food, food, food. I love my food. Look at that. Look. Can I like this? Oh yeah, I can. Look at this. I got it. Finally, let's chop all these down. I'm so sorry that I cheated, guys. I'm so sorry. It's 10 minutes. Options, easy, normal, hard, peaceful. So 10 minutes, isn't it? It is night. But I'm having my brightness on. Let's go and get these tubes over. Shoot. First need to make some wood. Let's take these over first. So I think I'm going to end this episode very soon because it's not gonna be too long for you guys to watch if it's like boring. So of this, I need to make some of this and of this. I need to make some of this. Let's 40. Let's make some more of these. Let's take some more of these. Did it? Yes. I think that's a good amount. Now let's make it like this or something. Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? I think it is. And no. See. I wonder if they can come through. I think so. Just have this here. Let's put a torch on there and on there. Over here, we also need a torch. Then there. Now that's going to work, I think. Let's collect this sheep over here. Come, sheep. Come. Come to that. Just gonna go and collect all these sheep over here. He's following me. That's good. Wait, let's see. Just jump down here, take the sheep. Oh wait, here. Start over here. Let's see. Follow me. Oopsie daisy, follow me. Yeah, that's what you get. What you get. Okay, sheep, everyone. Follow me, please. Follow me, please, everyone. Every sheep, follow me, please. Follow me. Follow me. Yes, goody boy. Oh, look, I have seed in my hand. Oopsie daisy, I lost them. Guys, don't look at each other. Follow me. Follow me. Guys, come with me. Yes. That's good, guys. Or girls. I don't know if you're boys or girls. You look exactly the same. Let's just pretend you're boys. Oh, I got some more. Let's see. Oopsie daisy. If you will excuse me, guys, I need to get up my all cheaps here. If you will excuse me. Oopsie daisy. Let's go here. Did I get all of them with me? Come on. Come here, guys. Oh, yes. Come here. Over here. Come on. Yes. Good boys and girls. I drink to just get. Okay, let's turn them into jello. That's good. Okay, follow me again. Okay, I have the seeds. What the? I have the seeds. Hello, guys. Yes. Yes, guys, I have seed. It's true. Now, just get them in over here. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Come on, come. Now, if you will, give me anything. Yes, good. Yes, I did it. Yes. Make a baby. Oh, that's so cute. Now you, you, now you. You there. Lovely. Love? Did they even make one? What? You just jump onto one of these fences? That did hurt me a little bit. Okay, good. Now I got to go to sleep. Oh, that's better. Now let's turn into light gray. I need some help from you guys. Yes, that's good. What the? Get out, get out. What do you think you're doing? Yeah, be scared away. Be scared away, I said. Thank you. Chop this up. They're growing by the time. See, make it. Yes. Oh wait. Oh wait. That didn't work. Yes, it did. So chop these down. Chop, chop, chop. Let's eat the pork. Chop, 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 chop. Choppy, chop, chop, chop. Chop this down. Chop, chop, chop. Just chop some of these down. Like that. I just pulled forward a little bit. Make sure that you didn't want to watch when I did all this. So now I have 21 wood. No, not wood. This is not wood. Why? Okay. Gotta make my own plants thing over here. My sword. My sword, my diamond sword. Okay, I'm gonna have some water here when I get water. I want to get water, but I cannot. Can I? Yeah, I did chop down some more trees. This one, okay, this is gonna be a very dumb house, but whatever. Just I make a house to myself that I can live in. I'm gonna have some view over the sea. Oh, look at those mountains over there. Okay, guys, I think I need to stop it here because I'll stop it. So, thank a lot for watching, and I will see you all next time. Won't I? Yeah, I will. So yeah, good.